me. We're gonna do like a power flow workout today. Inhale up, exhale out, inhale up, exhale out. I always like to start with some nice deep breathing and a little bit of reaching up. Here we go. Come up and up. Just gotta get that body flowing and get moving a little bit. Hope you're having a great day, because you are amazing and you deserve it. I know working out makes every day better, so thank you for working out with me. I do like to know you're out there, so if you are working out with me, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button, maybe leave me a comment, make a request for any kind of workout you want. I take requests. Very nice. Good. Bigger steps, bigger steps. Good. We're going to make this one nice and easy to follow. You can work as hard as you want to just by making those motions bigger. Good. Or smaller. If you need to make this smaller, you can always do that too. Make it your own. Good. All right, let's do a few more of these. Make it big, make it big. Good. Come on, trying to get that heart rate up. Burn some calories. Very nice. All right, we're going to go out, pull it in. Just press and pull back. Press, pull back. Press, pull back. So think strong today. Push, pull. Just try to keep your arms strong, legs strong. You want to work harder, you're getting down lower. Down and pull. Down and pull. Good. You don't have to. I'm going to be kind of in the middle somewhere. Easier would be here. Good. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Good. Keep going. Push. Breathe. Nice. Good, good, good. Nice. 2 more. 1. Now we're going to stay on this side and just push and press. And push and press. Push and press. Push and press. Good. Push and press. Push and press. Push and press. Push and press. Both arms. Push. Good. Push. Press. Very nice. Very nice. Push. Press. Good. 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 Push and press. 4 more. 3. Come on. 2. And 1. Now we're going to go push, knee up. Push, knee up. Now you don't have to put your palm out. You can do a fist. Make it more like a punch. Whatever you're comfortable with. I like to press. Good. Good. Come on. And again, if you want to work harder, lift your knee higher. Come on. Come on. Up. 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 Good. 4 more. You've got this. Come on. We're going to change it just a little bit. Give me that push and 3 knees. 1, 2, 3. Push. Lift. 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 My heart rate's coming up. Come on. Push. Work. 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 Push. Lift. 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 Good. Good. Come on. How about 2 more? Yeah. 1 more. Up. Up. And just the push. Side. 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 Good. 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 How'd that feel? Nice. Working hard. Again, if you work harder, get down lower. Nice. Alright, let's stay on this side. Push and in. Push and in. Push. Looking marvelous, Sunflower. Come on, you are strong. You've got this. Push. Pull. Push. Pull. Come on. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Nice. Good. Come on. Strong. Strong. 1, 2, 3. Push. 1, 2, 3. Push. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Push. 1, 2, 3. Push. 1, 2. I think we have 2 more. Push. Okay, last one. Push. 1, 2. Side to side. Push. Push. How you feeling? I'm working. You working? Come on, get down lower if you said no. Come on. Go. 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 All right. Inside, down, center, down, side, down, center, down, side, down, center, down, side, down, center, down, side, up, side, up, up. Come on. You're strong, you're strong. Ha. Okay, slow again, slow again. Push, down, up. Focus on the legs. Push, legs, up, down, press, down, up, down, press, down. Faster, here we go. Down, up, down, up, down, up. 4 more, come on. Woo! Looking good, looking good. Ha, good. Ha, go slow, go slow. Down, legs, up, legs, press, legs, up. Good. Come on. Enjoy that burn. Push, down, up, fast. Last set. Come on. You've got this. Last one. Up, 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 press, press. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Up, up. How are those legs feeling? Oh my goodness, I'm feeling it. Let's give it a little stretch. Come up, over, up, over, up, over, up, over. No, we are still working out. Hold here. Hold here. Go ahead and turn. Press forward through those hips. Now, if you have a chair or a wall to hold on to, hold on to something. I want you to go ahead and lift that leg and push your knee behind you and feel that stretch in your quads. You won't feel it here. You gotta push your knee behind that midline of your body to really feel that stretch. If you don't have anything to hold on to, look at the floor about 3 feet in front of you, and that'll really help you keep your balance. Okay, bring it up, press that knee back, and stretch. Again, hold on to something if you can. Push your knee behind you. Oh, there it is. There's that stretch. Very nice. Woo! Do a little hamstring stretch with our 30-second cool down. Inhale up, exhale, press. Feel that stretch in your hamstrings. Your back is nice and flat. And go ahead and tuck those hips. Round up, round up, round up, round up. Inhale, exhale down. Press up, then tuck, and roll, roll, and roll. Last time, inhale up. Big stretch up. Woo, exhale down. Press up with those hips, feel that stretch, then tuck, roll up, roll up, roll up, roll up. Hey, nice work, nice job. You're amazing, you rock, you just crushed it. Have a great, great, great day.